Cavalier John Paul Irvin E., son of teacher Irvin E. Cavalier and teacher Lizelle Echalico. He is also a loyalty awardee, a second placer in badminton singles meet during the unit athletic meet. With honors, may I call on their parents to come up on the stage to award their medals and certificates.
Kasi na ganyan mo natin sa naman schedule. Hindi na ilan